Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and behind me we got the Geeetech A10M printer. Friends, I've been doing calibration cubes on my ANET and my AlphaWise printers. Why not as well do it on the Geeetech? So let's get cracking. We're going to do this one a little differently. Usually I do a screen share. Today we're going to do it all with the camera. So we're in the corner of my shop where I've got the A10M. I just flashed the firmware, which I gave you that video yesterday. I will add an info card that'll show up in the corner of the video if you want to watch how to flash your firmware. Our settings, once again, are the normal 15. I'm doing one wall thickness. I'm doing a wall line count of 2, 0.8 millimeters, 20 for the infill density. I'm just choosing lines. My temperatures for my A10M are 205 and 60. Print speed is 60. I've got retraction enabled. I am cooling, and I'm doing skirt. With that said, I'm going to switch from save to file to print via USB because this one is plugged in, and let's let it get happening. Alrighty, friends, so the print is finished. Let's pop it off and see how good our results are with the A10M. Now, I think what we might be seeing right here is that I have this bed a little bit too high, so it'll be interesting to see what we get from Z. Alright, friends, let's start by zeroing out our caliper, and then let's check X. X is coming in at 20.16. Let's check Y. Y is coming in at 20. That's pretty nice, 20.02. And let's check Z, which is climbing up X or Y. And when we come up Z, we're getting about 19.63. And as you saw, I had this pretty snug on the bed. So there's a chance that I've just got that too tight and it's actually closer. All right, friends, so I've talked about this a couple of times. I use my printers for fun. I'm not working on perfection. And these other printers, we tested them to see how good they were out of the box. This A10M is not out of the box. And when it did come out of the box, the firmware did not do exactly what we needed. So then people took the firmware and they updated it to Marlin 2.0 and they got some settings a lot better. This controller now has so many settings that you can adjust, including the E-steps, so that you can pretty easily get it calibrated spot on, which is something I can't do with the other items because the firmware is locked. The settings aren't there, and there's no way really easily to update it at this moment. So there's room for me to make this better if I choose to. I've already got the tutorial up there that shows you how to update your firmware. We'll see, maybe I'll take time to calibrate this and get it to the perfect level as well. So friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.